Welcome to this Selfomy One tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to view student learning progress and study time reports, a key feature that helps teachers track performance and support students more effectively. First, let's take a look at what learning progress includes on Selfomy. On the dashboard, you can see the total number of assignments, tests, and lessons that a student has completed within a selected time period. Selfomy One also tracks study time very accurately. The time is calculated differently depending on the type of content. For lessons, from when the student starts viewing until they click Mark as complete. For assignments or tests, from when they begin until they click Submit. Now, let's go through the steps for teachers to view student reports. Step 1. From the admin dashboard, go to the left-hand menu. Click on Students, then select Students. Step 2. Choose the student you want to view. Click the eye icon to open their detailed profile. Step 3. On the Student Detail page, select the Learning tab. Here, you'll find the full report on learning progress and study time. Within this section, teachers can access 3 key types of reports. Overall Learning Report, available for all students. Classroom Learning Statistics, for students enrolled in a specific class. Self-Study Statistics, for students who study independently on the platform. In addition, Selfomy allows you to quickly export reports as PDF files, making it easy to share with parents. To export a class report, go to the Classroom Learning Statistics tab, find the class you want, and click See Details. On the report page, click Export Classroom Learning Report to download the PDF file. For self-study reports, go to the Self-Study Statistics tab and click Export Overview Report to download the file. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Keep exploring more features to manage your classes and support your students more effectively with Selfomy One.